Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows screen recorder is not working. So first you have to go to start menu, go to setting, left side menu, go to gaming option, tap on Xbox game bar, make sure to turn it on. If you see it is turned off like this, you have to turn it on and then after restart your computer. Again you need to tap on start menu, go to setting, left side menu, go to apps, tap on apps and features. Scroll down and find Snipping tool. It is right here. Just tap on three dots, go to advanced options. Under the background apps permissions, tap on here. You have to tap on select either power optimize or always option. So I suggest you to use the power optimize version. If it is set as never, you have to set it as power optimize or always option. Then after close this one, right click on the start menu, go to device manager. In here you can see display adapters, double tap on it, right click on your display driver, tap on update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers. If it says the device are already installed, go back, choose the second option, choose this one, select your driver, tap on next. This will reinstall the same driver if there is an issue with your existing driver. And you can go again, right click on it, tap on uninstall device, tick this one, tap on uninstall. This will completely uninstall your driver from your computer and you have to restart your computer to reinstall that one. Again go to start menu, go to setting, left side menu, go to apps and tap on apps and features. Scroll down until you find Snipping tool. Okay, here it is. You can see there's a three dots in right side. Just tap on it, tap on advanced options. Scroll down. First you can repair your Snipping tool. If it is not working, you can reset that one. So then after close this one. Again right click on the taskbar, go to task manager, check which apps are running on this menu. Some of the apps will be conflict with your screen recording, so try to close unnecessary apps that are running on the app under the app section. Just select that one, tap on end task like that. So then after finally you can go to this PC and check if there are available space for the recording, and if none of these method will not working, you can use alternative screen recorder like OBS or some other free version software. So these are the method you can try to fix Windows screen recorder. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.